What's going down, guys and gals? This is for the funness of tilling your soil. I got into an awesome gardening project, and we're going to be covering the Sunjoe, a very reputable name that's been around for a good second, and it's going to have its awesome 16-inch blades. That's what sold me, honestly. It said it could cut a lot of stuff, and the reviews for the quality, the longevity onto just the performance was amazing. But what's going down? My name is Mac here at the MacGyver7 channel, and we're going to be covering the unboxing of this. Now, I will have a learn it or return it like segment later on to see if it keeps up, because I got my grandmother a Black & Decker, and that thing just didn't hold up to kind of like, well, harder soils. I mean, it did really well if you just had, like, you know, some soil you wanted to work over and make it fine. It's amazing. But this one is supposed to be the monster beast, 12 amps with spinning blades that have Dirt's name on it. So let's go ahead and get it unboxed together and see what's inside the box. So first off the bat, heck of easy construction. I mean, everything's literally assembled from the engine. There's 3 compartment points that you just literally screw in, which I thought was really cool. They emphasize safety. They even have electrical clips that you can put other, I guess, AC cords if you're running the extensions directly onto there, because it's not giving you a lot to desire. You actually have to use a 3-prong and slap into place. But the cool thing is that you're going to have 6 forward rotating portions of where you're going to have the distribution of what's going down. The reason why they're kind of saying go with Joe is 3 positions. You can have the transportation one, which is super simple. This is where it does get a little bit more labor intensive. You're going to have to kind of pull it off, and also don't put this on any kind of floor that you're not going to, like, well, you're going to gain a few scratches along the way. Luckily for me, I had a really cool cardboard that I used inside there to kind of assemble that, so be wary of that in that situation. But it is a fun thing. I will be doing another segment later on for the longevity. I like the blades. They kind of tell you to go in some, like, kind of like almost like a almost seems like tic-tac-toes. You're just kind of weaving in and out as you kind of like grade into these boxes, which is pretty cool. But I'm super stoked to like test it out. This is supposed to be one of the funner ones, and it's electrical, and it comes with an easy warranty. They even give you, I mean, I'm just really happy with this company. It was simple, amazing, and it seems like it's kind of too good to be true, but I think it is true. So like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys and gals in the near future. You can use the links down below if you want to go ahead and purchase this. I got it through Amazon, so if you don't like it, you can always return it. But I don't think this is going to be something I'm going to return, to be honest. I think this is going to be something that is going to be a long-term investment, where it's like it actually works and does really cool things that I want. But I'll see you guys and gals in the near future. Stay classy, stay safe, and I'll see you there.